Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the upper or the lower button, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, swipe left to go to the next page, and here we have the airplane mode icon. To enable the mode, simply tap on it like this, and to disable it, tap on the icon again. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.